Welcome back to this video. Today's video, I will show you the best website to confirm Apple serial number for every iPhone user. You can use the website to confirm the Apple serial number to check the authenticity of the iPhone before you can go ahead and purchase the particular iPhone. So let's see the website. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. So after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here and type in imei.info, then click on search. So it's going to simply take you to this particular web page. Now, for you to check your iPhone Apple serial number, or for you to check the authenticity and the confirmation of the originality of the phone, what you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on IMEI checker. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do for you to check on the iPhone carrier and unlock check, or whether the Apple serial number check. So simply click on any one of the options right here. So right here, I'm going to simply click on Apple serial number check. So it's going to load up like so. So what you need to do is to simply enter the phone serial number right here. And once you enter the Apple serial number, click on check serial number. So immediately you click on check serial number, you're going to see the detail about the phone as far as this particular website is concerned. And getting the detail about the phone, it will tell you that the phone is original. And then you can also use the same site to check the IMEI of the phone, or whatever you want to check as far as your iPhone is concerned, before you can make the purchase. I hope you really find this website interesting. If you find this website useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.